Know this, your gut health might be sabotaging your health goals. Most of us don't realize that a compromised gut is often the hidden culprit behind stubborn weight gain, poor muscle growth, and a long list of other health problems from metabolic dysfunction to mental fog. But there is a master key that is very effective at unlocking better health, as well as repairing the gut. Today, we're diving into the overlooked connection between gut health and overall wellness, from metabolism to heart and brain function. And we'll reveal one surprising supplement with transformative gut repair effects. Welcome to Levitas. When our gut health is compromised, the body's ability to digest, absorb, and utilize nutrients diminishes, creating a ripple effect on weight management and muscle growth. Poor gut function often leads to improper digestion of proteins and carbohydrates, resulting in nutrient deficiencies that make muscle-building efforts far less effective. Without a healthy gut, even a protein-rich diet can fall short, as the nutrients simply aren't absorbed optimally. Furthermore, poor gut health often results in an imbalance of gut bacteria, or dysbiosis, which can disrupt metabolism and increase fat storage. This imbalance can lead to the production of endotoxins that promote inflammation, making it difficult for the body to burn fat effectively. Additionally, chronic inflammation from a disrupted gut can impact insulin sensitivity, causing the body to store more fat and resist muscle growth. When the gut is out of balance, it affects virtually every metabolic process tied to weight and muscle. Our gut microbiota, which consists of trillions of bacteria and other microorganisms, plays a crucial role in our overall health. These tiny organisms help digest food, produce essential nutrients, and protect against harmful pathogens. However, a healthy microbiota balance is delicate and easily disrupted by poor diet, antibiotics, stress, and lack of sleep. When the balance of good versus bad bacteria is disturbed, it leads to dysbiosis, essentially a tipping point where harmful bacteria overpopulate the gut, creating an unhealthy environment. This imbalance triggers inflammation and weakens the gut lining, allowing harmful substances to enter the bloodstream, a condition known as leaky gut. Dysbiosis also affects the production of short-chain fatty acids, which are essential for gut health and play a vital role in metabolism, immunity, and even mental well-being. Without a balanced microbiota, the gut can no longer support optimal health, leading to cascading health issues that are difficult to manage without proper intervention. Poor gut health significantly impacts metabolic function and is closely linked to an increased risk of chronic diseases. When the gut is unhealthy, it can lead to insulin resistance, making it challenging for cells to absorb glucose effectively. This disruption raises blood sugar levels and puts the body at risk for type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, chronic inflammation stemming from poor gut health strains metabolic functions, which can contribute to obesity, a major risk factor for heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Gut bacteria are also critical for energy extraction from food. When they are imbalanced, the body may extract and store more calories from the same amount of food, leading to weight gain. Moreover, an unhealthy gut can increase oxidative stress and contribute to mitochondrial dysfunction, which impairs the body's energy production. As gut health declines, metabolic processes slow, setting the stage for conditions like metabolic syndrome, which involves a combination of obesity, high blood pressure, and elevated cholesterol levels. This connection between gut health and metabolism highlights the importance of a healthy gut for preventing chronic disease and promoting overall wellness. The gut and heart are more closely connected than most people realize. Poor gut health can lead to chronic, low-grade inflammation, which is a major contributor to cardiovascular disease. An imbalanced gut microbiota produces metabolites that can raise blood cholesterol levels, increase blood pressure, and promote the hardening of arteries. Specifically, harmful bacteria in the gut can produce substances like trimethylamine N-oxide, also known as TMAO, which has been linked to an increased risk of atherosclerosis and other heart-related issues. Dysbiosis in the gut can also reduce the body's ability to regulate blood pressure and control cholesterol levels, as beneficial bacteria play a role in the digestion of fiber and production of heart-healthy short-chain fatty acids. Moreover, an unhealthy gut disrupts the body's response to oxidative stress, increasing the risk of inflammation that can damage blood vessels. By maintaining a healthy gut, the body is better equipped to support heart health, lowering the risk of heart disease, and improving overall cardiovascular resilience. The gut-brain axis is a two-way communication system between the digestive tract and the brain, and poor gut health can significantly impact cognitive function and mental health. And when the gut is unhealthy, it can lead to inflammation, which affects brain function and increases the risk of mental health issues such as depression and anxiety. The gut produces most of the body's serotonin, often referred to as the happy hormone, which regulates mood, sleep, and appetite. When gut health deteriorates, serotonin production is affected, contributing to mental health challenges. Furthermore, an unhealthy gut microbiota produces neurotoxic metabolites that can enter the bloodstream and eventually cross the blood-brain barrier, leading to cognitive decline and increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Dysbiosis can also alter the production of neurotransmitters and influence the brain's response to stress, potentially leading to poor mental clarity, memory issues, and reduced emotional resilience. Ensuring a healthy gut can not only improve physical health, but also support a sharper, more resilient mind. So, what is this supplement with huge gut repair effects? Now, let's talk about the supplement that has shown remarkable potential in supporting gut health. It's spermidine. Derived from natural sources such as wheat germ, soybeans, and certain types of cheese, spermidine is a polyamine, a compound that promotes cellular health and repair. It's been found to stimulate autophagy, a process where the body's cells clean out damaged or unnecessary components. This cellular renewal is crucial for gut health as it supports the regeneration of gut lining cells, which maintain a strong gut barrier and prevent leaky gut. Spermidine also helps promote a balanced gut microbiota, encouraging the growth of beneficial bacteria while inhibiting the proliferation of harmful ones. Studies have shown that it can reduce inflammation in the gut and support the body's immune response, making it a powerful tool for managing dysbiosis and promoting long-term gut health or CES. Moreover, spermidine has shown potential in reducing oxidative stress within the gut, further protecting it from inflammation-related damage and supporting overall health. In terms of dosage, studies suggest that around 1 to 3 milligrams of spermidine per day can provide substantial health benefits, though it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Spermidine is available in both supplement form and through diet, though getting the right amount from diet alone may be challenging. Including spermidine in your routine can lead to noticeable improvements in digestion, immune response, and even mood as your gut begins to heal and function optimally. In conclusion, the impact of poor gut health is profound, influencing weight, metabolism, heart function, and even brain health. When the gut struggles to absorb nutrients, it disrupts the body's ability to manage weight and build muscle, often leading to increased fat storage and chronic inflammation. This inflammation, coupled with an imbalanced gut microbiota, can spark metabolic issues, contributing to insulin resistance, obesity, and a higher risk of chronic diseases. The gut-heart connection reveals that poor gut health can produce harmful compounds that elevate cholesterol, raise blood pressure, and promote artery hardening, raising cardiovascular risks. Additionally, the gut-brain axis showcases how gut health influences cognitive function and mental well-being. Low serotonin production, neurotoxic compounds, and inflammation from an unhealthy gut all contribute to increased risk of depression, anxiety, and even neurodegenerative diseases. And our hero for today, spermidine, a powerful gut repair supplement that stimulates cellular renewal, combats inflammation, and supports beneficial gut bacteria. Just 1 to 3 milligrams daily can help revitalize gut health, paving the way for improved weight management, metabolic health, and mental clarity. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.